Hi everyone, welcome to our video about the Andromeda Galaxy and its potential collision with the Milky Way. The Andromeda Galaxy, also known as M31, is the closest galaxy to the Milky Way and is located about 2.5 million light-years away from Earth. It is similar in size to our own galaxy, with a diameter of about 220,000 light-years, and is home to an estimated 1 trillion stars. This galaxy is visible to the naked eye on a clear night, and is an iconic feature of the night sky. And what's most intriguing about this galaxy is that scientists believe it will collide with the Milky Way in about 4 billion years. This event, known as a galactic collision, will be a spectacular sight, with both galaxies merging into one giant elliptical galaxy. During this process, the two galaxies' black holes will also merge, forming an even larger supermassive black hole. The collision will also result in the redistribution of stars and gas, leading to the formation of new stars and the creation of new stellar structures. It will also trigger massive waves of star formation, creating a burst of new stars. It's important to note that the collision will not affect the solar system and Earth, as the stars are so far apart that the collision will only affect the outer regions of both galaxies. But it will change the appearance of the night sky, as the Milky Way and Andromeda will no longer be separate entities, but will become one galaxy. This event will be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for scientists to study a galactic collision and the formation of a new galaxy. It will also be a spectacular sight for future generations to witness. So, next time you're outside on a clear night and look up at the Andromeda Galaxy, remember that it's not just a distant galaxy, but it's also on a collision course with the Milky Way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos about space and astronomy.